What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Tony, and yeah, I'm headed over to Hunter's right now. I got to replace a headlight bracket up here on the front. I hit a pothole the other day. I busted 2 wheels on the passenger side, so I just threw a wheel up here on the front just to put stocks on the back. I've got 2 new wheels ordered. I've got 2 new tires. Well, I've actually got everything in. I just got to get them mounted and balanced and all that good stuff. As far as like future plans for this truck, you know, I've got this like I said, we got the headlight panel in, got the parking light in. We got to adjust that bumper. I've got my wheels and tires for the back. I've got to get mounted and balanced and put on, and then she'll be sitting back like she was. But I want to try to find a new bed. This one has a few dings in it. All right, so here's a little update on the truck. I got my rear wheels on. Me and my cousin Hunter got the SS bumper on the front lined up a little bit straighter. My grill broke, so I got to order a new one, but I'm gonna get a paintable one. I talked to a body shop. He's going to color match the bumper, that grill shell, the side mirrors, all 4 door handles, and a few other things. So I guess we're gonna see how that turns out.